Have you ever looked at an old pallet and wondered if it could become something beautiful? Something elegant? Something that looks like it came straight from a designer showroom? Today, I want to show you how pallet wood, one of the most overlooked materials, can be transformed into high-end furniture without a high-end price tag. What you are about to discover might change the way you see scrap wood forever. Let's begin with the simple truth about pallet wood. It is everywhere. It is inexpensive. And most importantly, it is full of hidden potential. Even the roughest pallet can become a polished, stylish piece of decor with a little sanding, shaping, and careful finishing. And the exciting part is this: the process is far easier than most people imagine. You don't need advanced building skills. You don't need professional tools. You only need curiosity, patience, and the desire to create something remarkable. When you first pick up a pallet, it might look plain, old, or even a little damaged. But once the boards are cleaned, separated, and sanded, the natural grain begins to appear. Each board has its own personality, its own pattern, and its own story. This is what makes pallet furniture feel so authentic and unique. No two pieces look exactly the same, and that is something money can't buy. Imagine turning this simple wood into high-end pieces that can elevate any room in your home. A smooth coffee table with clean lines. A stylish console table for an entryway. A rustic modern bench that becomes the highlight of your patio. Even a luxurious headboard for your bedroom. When pallet wood is shaped thoughtfully, it can take on a sleek, elegant appearance that rivals expensive store-bought furniture. One of the most impressive transformations you can create from pallet wood is a solid tabletop. When the planks are joined together tightly and sanded until they are even and smooth, the surface becomes beautiful enough for dining tables, work desks, or side tables. Add a clear finish or a deep stain, and suddenly the inexpensive pallet wood turns into something that looks handcrafted and high-end. Many people are surprised to see how modern and refined pallet wood becomes once the rough edges are gone. Another inspiring idea is turning pallet wood into shelving. Floating shelves made from pallet boards look stylish, clean, and minimalistic. When mounted properly, they create a strong contrast between rustic wood and modern design. These shelves are perfect for living rooms, kitchens, bathrooms, or offices. They add warmth, charm, and a custom-built feel that instantly makes the room look more expensive. If you want to make something truly eye-catching, pallet wood can also be used to build accent walls. A single wall covered in pallet planks adds depth, color, and texture to a space. It creates a warm atmosphere and brings natural beauty indoors. Whether the finish is dark, light, or left natural, a pallet accent wall always becomes a statement piece in the home. What's even better is that this transformation costs a fraction of what traditional wood paneling would. Outdoor furniture is another area where pallet wood shines. With simple construction, pallet boards can become patio couches, outdoor coffee tables, plant stands, and even full lounge seating. The weathered look of pallet wood naturally blends with garden spaces, giving them a comfortable, inviting appearance. And because pallet wood is inexpensive, you can build large outdoor pieces without worrying about the cost. The transformation process is not just about appearance. It is also about durability. When pallet wood is properly sealed, stained, or painted, it becomes strong and long-lasting. Many pallets are made from hardwoods, making them ideal for furniture that needs to withstand time and weight. With care and the right finish, your pallet creations can last for many years. Now let's explore the exciting part that many people overlook. Pallet wood can open the door to income. Yes, transforming pallet wood into high-end furniture on a budget can become more than a hobby. It can become a profitable side business or even a full-time craft. The demand for rustic, handcrafted furniture continues to grow. People love pieces that feel unique, natural, and sustainable. Pallet creations fit all of these qualities. Whether you sell shelves, small tables, wall art, planters, coat racks, or benches, there is always a market for beautiful handmade wood decor. What makes this opportunity even more appealing is that your material cost remains extremely low. A few pallets, a little sanding, a bit of finishing oil or stain, and you can create something that sells for far more than it costs to make. The value of the final product comes from design, craftsmanship, and presentation, not from expensive materials. Every project you create also builds your skills. As you work with pallet wood, you become better at smoothing surfaces, aligning joints, cutting clean edges, and applying finishes. Each completed piece makes you more confident and more creative. You begin recognizing new ideas everywhere you look. A simple pallet becomes a doorway to endless possibilities. As you continue exploring, you will notice a beautiful cycle forming. The more you create, the more ideas you gain. The more ideas you gain, the more confident you become. And the more confident you become, the more impressive your pallet transformations will be. This is how simple wood becomes high-end furniture, and how a hobby becomes something meaningful. Before we end, take a moment and picture something. Imagine old pallets stacked together, abandoned behind a store. Now imagine taking those very pallets home, breaking them down, cleaning them, sanding them, and shaping them into a piece that sits proudly in your living room. Imagine guests asking where you bought it, and imagine the smile you get to wear when you say, "I made it." That is the power of pallet wood. It transforms your home, your creativity, and your confidence, all without draining your budget. If you enjoyed this journey and want more ideas, more inspiration, and more creative wood transformations, make sure to subscribe, like the video, and stay connected. There is always something new to create, and your next masterpiece might begin with the simplest piece of wood.